Hi, I'm Sarup, Product Marketing Specialist at Canon Europe. At the heart of every great film lies a powerful tool, the camera. And today, we are proud to introduce the latest innovation from Canon, the EOS C400. The latest in a long line of amazing Canon Cinema EOS cameras. The EOS C400 redefines versatility. It's designed to excel in cinematic shooting, live broadcast, and virtual production. With its cutting-edge technology and unparalleled performance, the EOS C400 empowers filmmakers to bring their visions to life with unprecedented clarity, depth, and emotion. Let's take a closer look at some of the remarkable features. For well over a decade, Canon's Cinema EOS range has pushed boundaries to produce exceptional image quality, an unrivaled range of lenses and innovative features to empower filmmakers in bringing their creative visions to life. The EOS C400 features a full-frame 6K backside illuminated sensor that delivers 16 stops of dynamic range, organic color reproduction, and an innovative triple base ISO system, offering outstanding low-light performance with minimal noise. The BSI sensor's improved architecture and faster readout offers many benefits, including increased dynamic range, faster autofocus, and rolling shutter performance. Triple base ISO delivers the best signal-to-noise ratio at multiple amplifications. Canon's cutting-edge 6K BSI sensor delivers 3 base ISOs at 800, 3200, and 12,800 ISO. Manually select between them or use auto switching mode and let the EOS C400 pick the optimal settings. The autofocus system has taken a giant leap. For the first time in a Cinema EOS camera, dual pixel CMOS autofocus 2 is now featured. Dual pixel CMOS AF2, along with our deep-learned intelligent tracking AI system, EOS ITR AFX, delivers updated and faster autofocus capabilities. Face, eye, head and body, and animal tracking is available across the full sensor, ensuring you maintain critical focus every time. The EOS C400 is Canon's third Cinema EOS camera to utilize the RF mount system, opening the door to an array of exceptional RF lenses offering outstanding optical performance, sophisticated image stabilization, advanced autofocus, and even real-time metadata for VFX and XR workflows. The camera is adaptable to EF mount via our various EF to EOS R mount adapters. And for those looking to take advantage of the vast array of industry-standard spherical and anamorphic PL mount lenses, including Canon's own Sumire primes, Canon also now offers a new PL to RF mount adapter, robustly connected to the camera via 4 hex screws. Advanced lens metadata support includes Cook Eye technology and Zeiss extended data protocols. Now let's have a quick look at how the EOS C400 integrates seamlessly into your workflow. The design of the EOS C400 is familiar and compact. Designed for tripods, gimbals, drones, shoulder rigs, and handheld, you'll stay comfortable on long shoots. With its customizable interface, you're in control with dedicated buttons for quick adjustments. With up to 18 user-assignable buttons, you can customize the camera to suit your style. High-quality audio is assured thanks to support for 4-channel 24-bit recording. Sophisticated audio controls provide tactile precision over levels and inputs. The EOS C400 has all the recording versatility that you'd expect. Choose from professional recording formats including 12-bit Cinema Raw Light, XF AVC, and new XF AVC-S and XF HEVC-S MP4 formats, all supporting advanced metadata capture, 4-channel audio, and professional file name conventions. Simultaneous proxy recording to SD card is also possible. A bright 3.5-inch touchscreen LCD monitor with locking USB-C connection ensures a robust connection during operation. Adjust monitor position and distance via a 3-axis mounting system, or attach directly to the camera body itself. Expand your rig with a removable ergonomic handle, featuring a tool-free design and multi-function shoe. The multi-function shoe powers compatible accessories such as the Tascam CA-XLR2DC XLR microphone adapter and Canon DME E1D stereo microphone. The adjustable hand grip features 3 customizable buttons, joystick, and a locking grip for greater comfort when operating at different angles. With Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity for real-time IP streaming and remote control via XE protocol, the EOS C400 is compatible with a variety of network hardware and software, including Canon's RC IP1000 remote controller and multi-camera control app. Tally lamps located on the front and rear of the camera indicate when recording is in progress, or when a live signal is being received from a multi-camera production switcher. Using Canon's high-efficiency BPA30N and BPA60N batteries for optimum performance, the EOS C400 is also backward compatible with previous generation BPA30 and BPA60 batteries. A key part of the flexibility of the EOS C400 is its uncompromised connectivity, and many options including 12G SDI, monitor, HDMI, 2 mini XLR, timecode, Genlock sync return, Ethernet, remote, and USB-C terminals. The active cooling design ensures optimum cooling and silent operation with configurable or automatic fan settings. The EOS C400 fits into your workflow for professional video production. It is also built for live multi-camera productions. Return input and advanced features enable live program monitoring and compatibility with industry-standard lenses, thanks to its 12-pin lens interface, as well as Canon's new Cine 7x17 KAS-T featuring an RF mount and EXSV digital drive unit. The EOS C400 is ready for your productions not only today, it's designed for the future. Real-time metadata for virtual productions and VFX with support for Unreal Engine and After Effects. Genlock, built-in low-pass filter, and organic color reproduction make the EOS C400 perfect in large LED volumes and create immersive VR experiences with Canon's RF 5.2mm f2.8L dual fisheye lens. This unique dual fisheye lens simplifies the capture of professional 180-degree stereoscopic VR footage when paired with compatible RF mount cameras such as the EOS R5, R5C, and now the EOS C400. In virtual production and VFX workflows, camera metadata is essential to producing professional results. The EOS C400 and Canon RF mount lenses let you extract every drop of metadata, from ISO to f-stop and even distortion correction, so your virtual or VFX process becomes smoother than ever. That's a quick look at the incredible features and new technology at the heart of the new Canon EOS C400. For more information on the Canon EOS C400, the new PL to RF mount adapter, or the new RF mount Cine 7x17 KAS-T Cine Servo lens, visit the Canon website and click on Talk to Canon.